We are reading that sum of the AP series. So first question was A or A1, you can say, see here. See, first question is given as 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. Okay. A is equals to 2, A2 is equals to 7 is given over here. Try to understand here what is given the question. See, A is 2, A2 is 7, A3 is 12, and this is what? N, right? So here we have written here A is equals to 2, B is equals to 5, and N is equals to 10. Is this clear? This much is clear what is given the question?
Yes, sir.
So we have to use the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or other formula also we are having n by 2. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. We cannot use this formula because an is not known. Okay. And Sn is also not known. So we cannot use this formula. So we have to use first formula. That is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Is it clear, Javian?
Yes, sir.
So S10, just put the value of here, all the things N, D, and A. You just put the value and get the answer. So we got the answer as 245. N by 2, 10 by 2 into 2A, 2 into 2, plus N minus 1 into D. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 9 into 5, 45. So flow 4 plus 45 is 49. 5 into 49 is what? 245, right? This is the answer. Your answer is what? 245. Simple formula, two formulas only we are having for the sum. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and n by 2 into a plus an. So here an is not given to us. So you can find other way also. How? First you find an. Can you find an, children? An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an we can find, that is your A10. A10 is equals to a plus 10 minus 1 into difference. That is how much? 5. So 2 plus 9 into 5, that is 47. Understood, children? Then you can use this for same formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. So n by 2 means 10 by 2 into 2 plus 47. So getting the same answer, children? 5 into 49. Get the same answer or not? Got it? How to do? So there are two ways to solve. There are two ways to solve, either by this method or by the first method. Is it clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
Last time, Javin, you were there in the class, no?
No, sir. I was actually not well, so I was not able to attend the class, sir.
Acha, then it's clear. Then also it's clear to you now.
Yes, sir. It is clear, sir.
So either you can do by first method or second method. Now next question is question number second. So you can do this question, correct? No? Minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, and 12 terms. So here they have given A is equals to 37, A2 is equals to 33, A3 is equal to this much, and N is given over here. So here difference is how much? Difference is 4. So we apply the formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the value and get the answer. Check, children, where you are getting doubt. Children, now if you check where you are getting doubt and all. 6 into minus 74 plus 11 into 4. 70 minus 74 plus 44 is minus 30. So answer is minus 80. Anyone having doubt?
No, sir.
Sir.
Hemant, it's clear.
Sir,
Yes,
can you?
sir.
What happened? Who is having doubt?
Sir, me, sir.
Yeah, tell which step you are having doubt.
Sir, the second step, sir.
This step you are saying first, second, third,
Sir,
fourth
first, sir. First.
step, right? N by
Yes, sir.
what is n value here? N is 12. So 12 by 2 into 2a. A value is minus 37 plus n minus 1 into d. N minus 1, that is 12 minus 1 into d. D is 4. We are simply putting the values only. That's it. Nothing.
Okay.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Then after that you can solve. So next question is, see this question. Here A1 is given, A is given, A2 is given, A3 is given, and N also given, number of terms. So A is 0.6. Difference you can find easily. Difference is how much? Difference is 1.1. N is 100. See the formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Simply put the value, get the answer. Now tell me, I just write here steps only and just tell me the doubts, where you're getting the doubts over here. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Which step you are having doubt, children? Just let me know. Only one thing you try to understand, this 100 term is nothing but n only. Don't write an. Here only children will get confused. Number of terms, if you're counting the things, then that is n only, not an. So if this part is clear, then you will not have any doubt apart from this. Is it clear, Hemant? Next question. So in this question, first term is 15. First term is 15, 1 by 15. Second term is 1 by 12. And number of terms, n is 11. So A, you already you know, difference you can find, that is A2 minus A1. That is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. You'll get 1 by 60. N is equals to 11. After this, you can put the value here, you'll get the answer. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 2 into 1 by 15 is 2 by 15. 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 by 60. So here I am taking the LCM. 15 and 6 LCM is 30. And 4 plus 5 divided by 30, that is 9 by 30. And you just check the, just multiply and get the answer, 33 by 20. This is your 11th term. Okay. At 11th place, it's coming 33 by 20. What is this? So which part you are having doubt? First, second, third, fourth, fifth step. Which part you are having feeling difficulty, children?
Sir, can you please explain the second step again?
Yeah. See, if you are having with you A is equals to 1 by 15, D is equals to 1 by 60, N is equals to 11. So this is the formula only. Now we are putting the value of N, A and D. See, three formulas we are putting: A, N and D, correct? And A is
Yes.
1 by 15, D is 1 by 60, N is 11. Now simply just try to put over here N by 2, 11 by 2. 2A means 2 into 1 by 15. N is 11, so 11 minus 1 into 1 by 60. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 10 by 60. 0, 0 will get cancelled. Then we have taken LCM over here, that is 30. Now 4 plus 5, 9 by 30. So 11 by 2 into 9 by 30, that is 33 by 20. Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Next question is, see, this is bit different question, children. Here sum is given, right? So remember that this term is not n. This is wrong. Okay. Remember that this is an. Try to identify n and an. Okay. So don't confuse here. This is your first term. This is your second term. This is your third term, and this is your last term. That is an. Don't write here n is equals to 84. This is wrong. Okay. This is the term, not the counting thing. Okay. So n is equals to 84. So what we know here, A we know, A is 7. D we know, D is what? 7 by 2. If you find, you'll get 7 by 2. Okay. So 10 1 by 2 minus 7. 10 1 by 2 is 21 by 2 minus 7. That is 21 minus 14 divided by 2. That is 7 by 2. Next, an is given to us. An is 84. Now see here a and an we know. So we can we can apply the formula what? A plus an. But remember children, here we don't know n. Without n, we cannot find sum. Sum cannot be found without n. Okay. So first of all, we have to find n. Then we have to find the sum. Is it clear, children? Without n, we cannot find sum. We cannot find sum. Okay. The first one is you have to find n by the help of general formula. That is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So by this formula we got n is equals to 23. You can just find, children. I just try whether you're getting the same answer or not. N is equals to 23 we are getting over here. So 84 is equals to 7 plus n minus 1 into d. Difference is 7 by 2. Then we are sending 7 to this side. It becomes 84 minus 7 is equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Again here 77 is equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Then 2 is sending up, 7 is sending down. Okay. So what you will get here? I'm just writing in the here nearby only. N minus 1 is equals to 77 into 2 divided by 7. Understood? So 7 into 11 is 77. If you understood, n minus 1 is equal to 11 by 2, how I have written? So n is equal to 23. How I written 23? Here 11 to the 22 and this 1 will come this side. So become plus 1. So 22 plus 1 is how much? 23. So which step you are having doubt? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Any steps you are having doubt, children?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now, if you know n, you can find a plus n is already known to you, and you put the values, you get the answer. So 23
Sir,
by 2 into 7 plus 84. 7 plus 84 is 91. Now you multiply and get the answer. All right.
Sir, can you repeat?
See what I'm saying, that we are using the other formula over here. Okay. Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. Here already we know n over here. So n is 23. See here. N is equals to 23. 1 minute. N is equals to 23. So putting the value of n here 23. A already we know 7. An is 84. 7 plus 84 is 91. And 23 by 2. After that you can solve 23 into 91 divided by 2. You can do that. Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Shall I move to the next question, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So second question, now this is the third question. First question is here. Second question I not solved, I think. Okay. Second question I not solved, okay. First and third question solved for you. So this is the third question of the second main. Second question, second one you can do at home, okay. This is the second main, third question. So it's given that A is equals to -5, B is equals to -3, and AN is equals to -230. A is equals to -5, B is equals to -3, and AN is equals to -230. So we have to find sum of the series. I told you, children, that if n is not known, we can't find sum. Our first aim is to find n. Understood? Our first aim to find n. Understood? Then only we can reach to this place. Understood, Javian?
Yes, sir.
Without n, we can't find Sn. So first of all, our aim is to find n. Then we have to move to Sn. So n we find by this formula. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is given to us, that is -230, is equals to -5 into n minus 1 into 3. So -230 plus 5 is equals to n minus 1 into -3. -230 plus 5 is what? -225. -225 divided by -3, that is 75. So 75 is equals to n minus 1. So n is equals to what? 76. Now we can find easily Sn formula, we know n by 2 into a plus an. Is it clear, children? Or you can use other formula also, no problem. Sn is equals to other formula also you can use, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You can use this formula or this formula. Answer will come the same only, okay? Answer will be same, whether using any formula. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Answer will be same only if you are using Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, or you are using the other formula. So any steps you are having doubt, children, first or second? This is the first part, this is the second part. Which part you are feeling difficulty? I don't think you people have doubt, right? Just see for 1 minute. If you're having doubt, you ask. Remember, in the first main, everything n was given in the first question, but in the second question, n we have to find, then we have to reach to Sn. That is the only difference. One step is getting added over here. One step is getting added over here, okay?
Sir, how we got Sn upon N2 formula, sir? A plus A.
See, starting only we have read, no, two formulas. See here, in the first day only we have read these two formulas. See, this is the first formula was there, and second formula we read this one, right? Chanchal?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Either you can use this formula or this formula, anyone your wish. You can write a
Okay.
plus n, or you can write a plus l. This is required you read or not? Not required. This is only applicable if you know 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash 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 till 100.
Sir, for all the sums, we can use this formula.
Yeah, you can use if here. Yeah, if d is, you see, in the first question, if d is known, you have to use this formula. And here, if you know the last term, then you should use this formula, like that.
Okay, sir.
Mainly in first formula, d is there, and here if we not know d also, then we can find also by a and an. Is it clear? So anyone having doubt, children, how this formula is coming now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, next question number third is very, very important, children. Question number third. So many questions are there in question number third. Okay. So you have to think and you should do. I'll erase everything here and you have to do the question number third. Children, all of you start finding how to do this question. All of you start finding question number third. How to do this question, children. Question number third. All of you do by yourself. I'm erasing here. I'll just solve here itself. What is given in the question and what you have to find. Just do that fast. A is given, difference is given to you, an is given, and you have to find n and Sn. So easy question only, children. We know that without n we can't find Sn. So we have to find n. So we have to use which formula we should use? An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? Chanchal, what I should write? You just dictate me what I should write here. What I should write, just dictate me. I just keep on writing here.
Sir, 50.
50 is equals to, okay.
5 plus.
Okay.
N minus 1.
Into
3.
right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
after next step. Next step, what to do?
50 minus 5, sir.
50 minus 5 is equals to?
N minus 1 bracket 3.
Okay, after this?
45 equals to N minus 1 bracket 3.
Okay, after this?
45 divided by 3.
Okay. So n is equals to 16, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after this Sn. Which formula I should use for Sn?
Sir, second one, sir. N upon 2.
Anything you can use, no problem. First also you can use, second also you can use, no problem.
2a.
Second formula is n by 2 is a plus an. An we know, no. A also we know, an also we know. We can use this formula, right? Okay, after this?
16 by 2.
Hmm.
Bracket 5 plus 50.
Okay. 8 into 55. So answer is 8 5s are 40, 44, 440, right?
Yes.
Is this clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
Now, Javian, you should tell me the second answer, okay? Second question, you should tell me, repeat this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, tell me, Javian, now what to do. First step.
So the first step, sir, we can write the A is equal to 7, then A13 is equal to A plus 13 in brackets, sir. 13 minus 1, bracket closes, and D, sir, into D.
We can write A13 is equals to like this. A13 is equals to 35. So we can write same thing as A plus 12D is equal to 35. We can write. Do you know, children? We can write this A13 as A plus 12D. Do you know that, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Again, on the camera.
Sir, can you repeat?
What? Tell me.
Sir, the statement just you said.
See how this is coming. You are not understanding.
Yes, sir.
See, we know the formula now. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So
Yes,
n
sir.
is equals to what? 13 we are writing. So A plus 13 minus 1 into D. So what do you get? A plus 12 do you get or not?
Yes, sir.
So this we are writing shortcut method we are using, that is A plus 12D. Understood? Instead of
Got
doing
it.
all this, we are doing A13 is equals to what? A plus 12D. In the introduction class, I told you, no, Chanchal, that A2
Yes.
is equals to A plus D, A3 is equals to A plus 2D, A100 is equals to A plus 99D. Did you remember?
Yes, sir.
So that only method we are applying over here. No need to mug up the same formula. A plus n minus 1 into D. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, Javier, next, what to do? Tell me now.
Then next step, sir, we can do is we can take 35 is equal to 7 plus 12D.
Acha, here we can write 7 plus 12D is equals to 35, right?
Yes, sir.
After that,
sir, sir, 35 minus 7 but
35
divided by
minus
12
7
is
is right
equal to
here.
D.
12D is equals to 35 minus 7, right?
Yes, sir. Then we have to divide with 12, sir.
So 28 by 12, no?
Yes, sir.
What do you get?
So we can simplify it into 7 by 3, sir.
Okay, D is equal to 7 by 3, right?
Yes, sir.
After this,
sir, then we have to find the
S13. What is the formula for
S13.
S13 you have to use?
The n by 2 brackets open 2a plus n minus 1 in brackets into D, sir.
Okay, better what you do, no, don't use this formula. Tell me A plus AN formula only. A plus AN. Because A also we know, AN also we know. You can use this formula or not?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, 13 by 2 into what I should write?
So 7 plus 35.
7 plus 35. So 13 by 2 into what? 42, right?
42, sir. Then, sir, we will cancel it by 2 and 21, sir.
So 20,
S13 will be 273.
273.
Yes, sir. After cancellation, we will get, sir.
You solved already.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, we completed this chapter today in school, sir.
Fine, all right. Ananya, just tell me the third question. Just see this and just to tell me you can do it or not, Ananya. Just want you try to understand the question first. Then we'll start doing.
Yes, sir. First,
Yeah. Tell me, Ananya, now. A12 is equals to 37. So for A12,
yes,
what we can write?
so we can do A. So first we have to find A, right, sir?
Yeah, we have to find A. First, you try to just simplify this part. First, you try to simplify this easier, okay? Tell me what we can write for A12. A12 can be written as what we can write for A12. Before we have used the concept, no? Ananya, see here. Before this question, we have used the concept. See, A13 is equals to what we have written here. Tell me, A plus 12D, right?
Yes, sir.
The same way for A12, what we can write over here? Tell me, Ananya. A12 can be written as A plus 11D. Can you understand this or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, we know the D value from here, right? So put the value of D in this equation. So what do you get here? A plus.
11 times 3 equals 37.
Very good. After this?
Then you send the 33 to the other side. So 37 minus 33.
That is 4, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now S12, how to find S12?
N bracket n plus 1 divided by 2.
N into what? N plus?
1 divided by 2.
N plus 1. N into N plus 1 by 2 you are using.
Yes, sir.
This is wrong. You have to, this formula is only applicable for starting from only for natural numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash dash dash. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So if n we are going to n into n plus 1 by 2, this is applicable only for this formula. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So don't use this formula in this case. Either you can use first formula or second formula. Okay. You can use this formula or you can use S12 is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You can find the answer by both the methods. Okay. So n by 2 here, n is 12. 12 by 2 into a. A is
4.
30. Sorry, what is A? A is 4. 4 plus 37. So 2 6 are 12. So 6 into 41. So answer is 246. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Samarth, why you are off the camera? Samarth. Now Hemant, you should tell me third and fourth one. So first of all, we have to try to make it easier. The question what is given here, we have to try to make it easier first. Tell me, Hemant, first what we need to do here?
Sir, first we need to write A3 is equal to 15.
A plus 2D is equals to 15, right? Okay, this part got over. Next. Next. Tell Hemant. S10 is equals to 125. It means what we can write for this? A10 is nothing but what? A10 is what? A plus 9D, correct?
Yes, sir.
We have to find A plus 9D and we have to find D. So D, how to find? If you find A, you can find D also, right? So for S10, what we can write here? S10 is equals to n by 2 into A plus AN, correct? Correct? No. So S10 we know that is 125. N is 10, 10 by 2. A we don't know. A plus A10 also we don't know. So A plus A10 is equals to what we'll write here. 125 into 2 divided by 10. 2 5s are 10. 5 25s are this one. A plus A10 is equals to what you're getting? 25. Correct? And one more thing, A can be written as it is. And for A10, what we can write? A plus 9D we can write or not? So 2A plus 9D is equals to what? 25. Is it clear this much? Or instead of doing this nonsense, no, this bigger thing. See, you can solve this equation also. This equation and this equation you can solve, you can get the value of A and D. Okay. But instead of doing all this bigger thing, we can use direct formula, that is S10 is equals to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. From here directly we can get D from here. See, S10 is equals to 125 is equals to N by 2 into 2A. 2A, A also not known to us, right? Plus N minus 1. 10 minus 1 into D. So 2 5s are 10. So 125 divided by 5 is equals to 2A plus 9D. Same thing we are getting. See, 2A plus 9D is equals to what? 25. Second equation. Understood, children? So this is your first equation. This is our second equation. Can you solve this or not? Can you solve this, Hemant?
Yes.
Ananya,
A little bit
first
confusing,
equation,
sir.
second equation. We can get the value of A and D by solving first equation and second equation, children. How to do? See, from first we can write it as A is equals to 15 minus 2D. Can we write like this? And same formula right here, putting the value of A in equation second. Put value of A in equation second. So what we get here? 2 into 15 minus 2D plus 9D is equals to 25. All right. Samarth, Rasul, Praharshan, Ananya. All of you are offing your camera. Why?
So when I'm turning on my video, your voice is breaking, sir.
So 30 minus 4D plus 9
Sir,
is equals
Sir,
to.
I am not in my home.
Huh?
The way to Hyderabad.
What happened, Samarth?
Sir, I am not in my home. I am currently in the way to Hyderabad.
I'm not hearing your voice. Speak louder.
Sir, he's telling that he's not in his house, he's traveling.
Acha, acha, okay. So see here, we can write here from this equation, writing out how what we can write, just try to understand. 30 plus 5D is equals to 25. So 5D is equals to minus 5, so D is equals to minus 1. This is kind of complicated, not complicated. You can say you have to think over it. The D is equals to, you get minus 1. Can you find A10 now? How to find A10? Xavier, how to find A10 over here? So first you find A from here. A is equals to what we can write? A is equals to 15 minus 2D, 2 into minus 1. So you're getting 17, correct? So right here 17 plus 9 into minus 1. So 17 minus 9, that is what? 8. Answer is same. Once you match children, answer is same or different. Hemant, check the answer whether it's correct or not.
Sir, it's correct.
Okay, fine. So tell me, children, which part you are facing difficulty here? This is the first
Second
one.
one, sir. Second one.
This equation you are saying.
Yes, sir.
See what we are doing now. From first equation, see a plus 2d is equal to 15. So can we write a plus a is equal to 15 minus 2d? Can we write this?
Yes, sir.
The same thing, a value we are putting in the value of second. Second equation is here is there, no a. Instead of a, we are putting 15 minus 2d. Understood?
Yes, sir.
You multiply 2 with inside, you will get 30 minus 4d plus 9d is equals to 25. Then you can solve here 30, solve this, and you'll get the value of d over here. Now see, if you got the value of d, you can find the value of a from here, putting the equation here. So you will get this value of a. A is 17. Now A10 is nothing but a plus 90. Put the value of a and d and get the answer. Where you are feeling difficulty, children, just let me know. These all are very easy questions.
Got it, sir.
Okay. Moving to the next question, question number 5th. Hemant, you should answer this question number 5th. Yeah, tell Hemant what to do for this. Hemant, tell what to do. D is 5. S9 is 75. You have to find A and A9. So how to find?
Sir, I think it's A plus 8D equals 75.
A plus 8D. No, this is S9, no children. S9. A9 you can write it as A plus 8D. But this is S9. You can't write S9 as A plus 8D. Understood?
Okay, sir.
This is sum of 9 terms. A plus 8D is what? 8th term. Means 9th term you are writing. This is sum of 9 terms. Okay. Children, I'm taking the screenshot right now. I'm sending to the group. Okay. If these children are not only in the camera, okay, I'm just sending to the group.
Yes.
Rasul, if you're running the camera on all the time, otherwise you can off, not a problem. I'm just going to send to, because they're asking here to on the camera to everyone. I'm just going to take the screenshot of this and sending them. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, fine. So
Sir, I got A as minus 35 by 3 and A9 as 85 by 3.
how you solved? Can you tell me how to do this?
Sir, so S9 will be 9 by 2 into 2A plus 40. And then that will solve that, then we'll get
2a plus what? 80, right?
40. Sir, it's 40.
40. 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right?
Yes, sir.
Last time you are saying 75 you should write. Acha, a plus a9 you are saying. A 9 by 2 into what I should write, Drishi?
2A plus n minus 1 into D.
Okay, after this, n is 9, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I can write here 2a plus 8d, correct? And 9 by 2. After this, what I should do? After
So
this,
then that's 25 is equal to 3A plus 60.
okay,
And
75
we'll,
you should write here, right? And we can take here 9 by 2. We'll take here 2 common from this. So we can write here a plus 4d, correct? So 2 will get cancelled. So a plus 4d is equals to 75 by 9, correct? So 3 to the 6, 2, 3, 5 the 15 by 25 by 3, correct? No?
Sir, it would be minus 9, no, sir?
Minus 9.
Yes, sir.
Which is minus 9 over here?
Minus 9, sir.
Minus 9. See,
Sir, 75 minus 9.
Acha, 70 minus 9 you are saying. N by
Yes, sir.
how minus 9 will come? This is multiplication, no? 75.
So that addition
Huh?
is coming this side, no, sir?
If this will come, this is this is multiplication. If you remove this one, this is multiplication with this, no? This will become division or adding minus.
Yes, sir.
Here is divide by 2 into 2. This is what? Multiplication.
Yes, sir.
So this will come this side, other side, what will happen? Division it will go, right? Now put the value of d over here. Achha, here is directly, 1 minute children. I'll just write directly here 40 I can write. 1 minute, wait. D I have not seen on it, D is given over here. So you can write here 2a plus 9 minus 1 into d is 5. So you can write here 40. So you can write here 75 into 2 divided by 9 is equals to 2a plus 40. Understood, Chanchal? That one is
Yes, sir.
different. See, we are using a plus n minus 1 into d. No, this was different thing. If this will go come this side, will come minus a. Understood? But here is
Yes, sir.
multiplication.
Got it, sir.
So 9, 3 3s are 9 and 25s are. So 50 by 3. So 2a plus 40 is equals to 50 by 3. Now 2a is equals to 50 by 3 minus 40. Then we can write it as 2a is equals to 50 minus 120 by 3. So 2a is equals to minus 70 by 3. A is equals to minus 70 by 6. So 35 by 3. Are you getting the same thing, Drishi? Drishi, are you getting the same answer? Rasool, are you getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
So A9 we can do here, children. A9 is equals to, we can write A9 is equals to A plus 8D. So A we know and D also we know. A9 is equals to A plus 8D. A is equals to minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into difference is how much? 5. So minus 35 plus 40, and here divided by 3. So minus 35 plus 120 divided by 3. So what do you get? Minus 85 by 3. Is this the sum? Is the getting minus 85 by 3 only? All of you are getting the answer, children, or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I'm getting 85 by 3, not minus 85 by 3.
Yeah, plus 85 will come here. Plus 120 is there. No, plus 85 by 3. Okay, next question is sixth one. So A is given, D is given. You should find N and AN. Okay, I'm erasing this. Who will tell the answer for this? This is kind of bigger question. Okay, this is bit easy only, but it will take time. So many things are there in this question. So many things are there. Tell children what to do first. A is given over here. A is given, difference is given, Sn is given over here, and you should find N and AN. So what to do? Sn is
Put
equals
the
to
formula of Sn
A.
and put the values of A and D. Then in place of Sn,
Sn is equals to what you should write? N by 2 into A plus AN. So 90 is equals to what we can write here? N by 2 into A plus AN. So 180 is equals to 2n plus, you don't know only, right? First you have to find N. How to find N, children? How to find N?
So can we use AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D?
What we get? Just try once. AN we don't know. A we know that is 2, and N we also we don't know. So N minus 1 into D we know 8. So AN is equals to what we are using? AN is equals to 2 plus 8n minus 8. So AN is equals to what we get here? 8n minus 6, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this AN you can put over here if you want. This AN you can put over here. So many methods are there, you can do that, not a problem. See, AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 to D. AN is equal to 2 plus N minus 1 into 8. So put the value of AN in this. What you're getting? 90 is equals to N by 2 into 2 plus 8n minus 6. So we'll get here 180 is equals to n into 8n minus 4. So what do we get n over here? 180 is equals to 8n square minus 4n. Is it clear? So we can write 8n square minus 4n minus 180 is equals to 0. Is it clear, children, or not?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now hold this equation, you can divide by 4. So what do you get? 2n square minus n minus 4 2s are 8, 4 4 are 16, and 5 is equals to 0. So here product is minus 90x square and sum is minus n. So what we can factorize this, children? Minus 90, we should get minus n, and here is minus 90n square. How do we get 90? 90, how will get 2, 45, 2, sorry, 3, 15, 3, 5, 9 and 10, right children? 9 and 10 we can get. 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equals to 0. Can we write like this, children, or not? Totally blank or what, children? You are understanding it or not?
So got it.
So here we
Yes.
can write 2n common you take, n minus 5, 9 common you take, n minus 5 is equals to 0. So n is equals to, you'll get 5 and minus 9 by 2. So n cannot be negative, so answer is what? 5 only. Understood? So n is equals to 5. Now an is equals to, means an is nothing but what? A5 is equals to a plus 4d, and a is what? What is a? 2 plus 4 into difference. Difference we don't know. Difference is 8. So 8 4 are 32 plus 2, 34. So children, just to check, if you're having doubt, you ask me. If you're having doubt in this, you can just ask me if you're having doubt. You can do in various methods, not a problem. Understood, children? You can do in various methods. There's not only one method. You can do by many ways. Okay. Anyone having doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, can you explain this part?
Which part you are having doubt, Hemant?
Sir, in this, right, in the last part, 2 and minus n, that part.
You are asking about this one. Okay, write the steps only, just tell me. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. Which step?
6th, sir.
This one only. See, here this is factorization. This is of class 9th factorization, you know, factorization. So see, this is the sum, minus n is the sum over here. And product is this last one and this first one. This is the product. This is minus 90 n square. So we have to divide into two parts such that product is minus 90 n square and sum is minus n. Understood, Hemant?
Yes, sir. Get it now.
What you can write for this? You should write here minus 10n and plus 9n. Then only you can get here product is minus 90 and sum is minus n. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So instead of minus n, we are putting here 10n and plus 9n. If you see here, we are putting here minus 10n plus 9n. Then we have taken common, 2 common we are taking. 2n is common. So in bracket, we can write n minus 5. Second part, 9 is common. Again, n minus 5 is coming. So what is common in both? I will did directly over here, n minus 5 is common. So we can write here 2n plus 9 is equals to 0. So n minus 5 is equal to 0. So we'll get n is equal to 5. If this is equal to 0, 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. So we'll get n is equal to minus 9 by 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is easy way. Nothing is there in this. Anyone, children, who is having doubt, still having doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, children, that's for today. Okay. If you're having doubt, you can ask. If you're not having doubt, you can leave for the day. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, children. Bye. Yes, Hemant, you want to speak something?